Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
When the Cargo was launched, almost it captured 7% market share pan-India, which was a feat for RENAULT. And that's happened because it's got one of the most value for money compact SUV with the number of features we compared to other competitors. Also introducing, now I'll be introducing this KIGER limited edition.
The vehicle is very good in terms of styling, sportiness and the looks what we have, and the acceptance in the market is very great. So the new car that is launched now has 5 added features. So the first thing is we have the color change, that's the metal mustard. Second thing is the turbo badging what the car has got. Third thing is the wireless charging. Fourth thing is the interiors that has a wood finish and matte finish. And the fifth thing is on the skid plate. So it is added another few features that is adding to the styling and sportiness. So the car is very much accepted in the market and people are actually waiting for the variants to be available to them, because the vehicle starts from 8 lakhs and the top end variants goes to about 12 lakhs. It's in the CB.